How to start earning from home. There are many ways through which you can earn while sitting at home. And what are the things that you can do to earn from home? I will capture it in another video. But today, I want to specifically focus on the various steps. I will break it down into sharing with you how you can start earning from home. First of all, focus on your skill set. So make a list on a paper or Excel sheet, the things that you are good at and the things that you're not good at. So let's say things that you're good at are analysis skills, okay, analytical thinking. And things that you are not good at could be like creativity or creating or writing content, etc. So what are the things you are good at? What are the things you are not good at? Ensure that you jot down each and everything without even thinking, okay, will somebody take it or not? No, the first step is just put it down on pen and paper. The second thing is, out of all the things that you know, okay, that you have skills of, see which are the things that someone else requires. Means which are the things that are in demand, which are the things which is solving a problem. Okay, so now let me give you an example. What are the things that can be? You might have heard about a lot of things that people do and earn money and through adding value or solving a problem. Have you heard someone who is very good into draping saris? Okay, that person is earning in crores just with one thing, that the person is solving a problem of others. Now you might be thinking, how can a person make so much of money just by draping sari? No, break it down and understand these aspects to it. Now, one person loves draping a sari and she knows how to drape the saris in perfect format and various formats in the minimum possible of time. And not just that, after you wear the sari in that particular draping format, you will not feel heavy or you will not feel burdened. You will not feel uncomfortable. So, all checkpoints done. Easy, convenient, time, right? There is so much of time being saved. So this person is actually solving a problem through draping saris. And anyone who is on the go, who does not want to take the headache of it, they just call her in and she does the work, and with minimum time and effort, everything is set. So see, what are the different kind of skills? Don't go by just the generic skills that you get to learn in the schools and colleges. There are innumerable skills that you have outside schools and colleges as well. So identify those skills. Next thing is, see which is the one that can solve a problem in the marketplace. Okay. Next thing, identify your target audience. So let's take this example itself. So who could be the target audience for that person who is draping the saris in different formats? The women, or even the men of the family who are conducting any event, or let's say during the wedding seasons, let's say during any kind of festival seasons, right? So identify your target audience clearly. Next thing is opportunity. Look around in the market, online and offline. Where can you get that opportunity? Sometimes everything is not visible on social media, and sometimes you will get stuffs on social media, but you have to understand that this is an opportunity which I can take the advantage of. Okay, and the next point pertaining to this is, you need to ask. Means you need to utilize that opportunity. If the opportunity is there, it's like the opportunity is standing in front of your door and you don't even open the door, right? For that, all you need to do is ask for the work, or ask how can you help them, and in return you charge them for your work or for your contribution, okay, for solving the problem. Next is consistency. Maintain the consistency throughout for your customers and ensure that you actually share this to the other people as well. What are the things you are adding value to? What happens sometimes, people do everything on a one-on-one basis. If there is no any kind of restriction, like some things, sometimes you can't always bring things out in the open, like let's say some kind of psychology or psychiatric model where you are working, or financial aspects which are very sensitive domains. Okay, If you're not working in that kind of a sensitive domain, then ensure to bring it in front in terms of visibility. And finally, you need to upgrade. Yes, you need to upgrade your skills. You need to bring in creativity. You need to bring in innovation. If there is no innovation in business, however, you just do the same old wine in a new bottle concept, it will still become stagnant. So learn to innovate, right? So this is how you can start at least bringing out the structure or start jotting down the points step by steps into working from home, this kind of skills that you can have. And when I gave the sari example, it might and might not be work from home. It's absolutely up to you, because nowadays you can work from home virtually for anything, through Zoom, through the digital media, etc. If you want to go to the client's place, or if the demand is that, then you go out and do the stuffs. But at least you can start the concepts or building the entire business working from home. Okay, in the next video, I'll cover what are the areas or the stuffs that you can actually begin working from home. Hope this helps. And definitely, I would love to hear from you. How are you planning out your business model and what are the things you are starting with? And if you like these videos of mine, if you find value in it, then please do share with your friends, families, or known people who will benefit from this. And definitely subscribe and hit the like button to ensure that this video gets shown to many other people who might get benefits out of this. So see you soon in the next video.